know about is education. The Academy of Communicative English is a storehouse of the universal language English. The prime aim of its education is to provide English knowledge for the people of all ages. It is an institute with dedicated young and enthusiastic faculties who are well qualified in the field of communication. Choose yes to be nice. The purpose of basic education is to provide English knowledge for the people in the field of communication. Basic education organizes school programs as well as class competitions to promote friendly conversational skills. It designed and elaborated coursework by which the students and teachers are bound with the chain of communication. Life is full of communications and conversations. Today we are very well aware that we live in a competitive world, whether it be on business, education, communication. In such a situation, one needs talents to prove one's communication skills, chance to get good job, placement to put one's idea or cause to convince others of their interest and enter into good relationship with all. One will be an utter failure if one lacks communication skill. Intentionally, they brought a best education for the good relationship with all. One will be an utter failure if one lacks communication skills. Tries to get good job, placement to put one's idea across to convince others of interest with all. For giving a broad introduction. A prayer is not just words. It is a guiding light that helps us to grow higher in our lives. As we begin this auspicious occasion, let's take a moment to seek the divine blessing through prayer. I call upon our SPL, Evident News, to lead us with prayer. Heavenly Father, we come before you with a grateful of this special day celebration. Thank you for the gift of language which allows us to communicate, express ourselves, and connect with the world around us. Come before you with a grateful heart as we begin this special language day celebration. Thank you for the gift of language which allows us to communicate, express ourselves, and connect with the world around us. Bless this event, Lord, and guide all those who take part. Our speakers, performers, teachers, and students. Fill them with the confidence, wisdom, and joy as they showcase their talents and knowledge. May learning and a deeper appreciation of words. Help us use language to spread kindness and understanding and unity among one another. As we begin, we ask in your holy name. Thank you, dear SPL, for your soulful prayer. For it is you who light and love, the Lord my God, light us my darkness. Psalm chapter 28, verse 28. As we begin this auspicious occasion, let us illuminate the path of wisdom and excellence with our traditional lamp lighting ceremony. The lamp symbolizes the removal of darkness and the spread of knowledge, prosperity, and success. Now we have a lamp with 5 wings, each representing the quality needed for today's event. First, excellence. It is the foundation of growth and pursuit of greatness. We invite our esteemed chief guest to grace the stage and light the first week of lamp. Please, sir. Second, wisdom that guides us toward Daisy Thomas to step forward and write the third week of love. Please, sister.
Fourth, achievement that reflects dedication, passion to success. We invite our beloved Mistress Reverend Sister Jancy Rani to light the fourth flame. Please, sister.
Book, inspiration, spark creativity and desire to make a difference. I call upon AC Minister Fatima to take part of the ceremonial act and light the fifth week of love. Please, dear. May this young life bring wisdom, prosperity, and harmony to all. Let us honor this ceremony with this blessing.
May the focus of dignitaries please come down.
Staying together is a progress. Working together is a success. Now I call my friends Lavanya and Ali to deliver the welcome speech. The magic of new beginning starts with a warm welcome. Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, dear teachers, parents, and well-beloved students. A very warm and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. Today, as we
Third standard.